Hey one, this is me once again, and I'm going to show you my two custom-made take and play Thomas trains. And here I'm going to show you first is my take and play PSM that I got in the mail from eBay yesterday. And here I used some green paint for the front of the foot plate and his pistons, and I used a red Sharpie marker for the piston stripes and the lamp white, and I used some white paint for the lamp. And I used a black Sharpie marker for those handrails right there and over there as well. I used some black paint for these part of the windows right there, and the footplate and the running boards. And I used a gold paint marker for the handrails or whatever that thing is. And I also used a gold paint marker to draw the windows. And I also used a gold paint marker for the whistle. Now, one more Thomas train I'd like to show you for now, and that is Fearless Freddy, or Freddy for short. And Matthew Gersh, or should I say Trainboy70, if you're watching this, I told you I had Freddy. I got him at Target once, along with Harvey and his breakdown van. See, all I have to do is repaint his pistons white and use a black Sharpie marker for the stripes. And there was no need for detailing since they're already so. And about the PSM got in the mail yesterday that I forget to mention that medium in a season 16 and onwards work. And sometime in the future, I'll get my Mac. But anyways, thank you all for watching. And this is me signing off. And goodbye.